Shubor nakaslem jong Nongthaiñ Hima.
Menteri rang ba kajala ukonrat sangma ha kador barmang tingka ulayathu ba ka National Rural Livelihoods Mission kalayarap kumbasan phuway hajar hendrus pa nyo pusawngot na ka self-help group bat kumju na ka benta ki batre bat ki balayo banseng ya kakam ladi da ka Jingïaroh ka self-help group kumbanchu kudaw hangni baka kong yai sha Ri-Bhoi kadai ka baseng ya ka eriwif kabalaya shimbentaru ha ka rensan Shark Tank India Season 4 Ukonrat ulayathu ru baka Jaiñ ko ba uphong kadai ka bala penmi na jela bachna nagikor jong ka seng eri weave kadai ka bala we rong da ka rong ka balong tenrai da ka baki penon kam da kisla so trun ringkat ba ki snap ding wat lam perthat ki ayan or bat ushin rai shusho ula kentu ya ki we ki menteri ba omtang man syukran ne ban shriya khana henry ban pen i da ka kam bakin kershan lem ya ki Nongthaiñ Jaiñ ka jela bat ki self help group
Sir, through NRLM, again, this is a very powerful movement. We have been able to create different kind of groups, self-help groups. The numbers are quite clear out here that we had close to about 5,894 self-help groups in 2018. And today we have 51,674 self-help groups. The different employment generated or livelihood generated through these self-help groups has been close to 2 lakh employment and livelihood in the last 7 years, and we expect that we will be able to double that in the next 3 years, because now the hard work of actually creating the institutional system was time consuming, but now that this institutional system is already set up with 51,000 self-help groups. Now the question of only exponentially growing it and giving them full support. Sir, I would also like to draw your attention to my attire today. And I want to share with you that this shirt that I'm wearing is made from eri. This shirt again has been made, is a made in Meghalaya product. The cloth is maybe one of the most comfortable cloths that I'm wearing. And just to share with you, sir, this particular eri has been colored with natural dye. So they use the Sotun local leaves along with the bark of a tree called Whitelam Pirthat and iron ore and turmeric has been used to create this wonderful color that is there in this particular eri silk and this shirt that I'm wearing. And I've made more than 15 shirts like this, and I wear them very regularly because they're extremely comfortable. And I want to share with you, one day I wore this and I had gone to meet some of the ministers. So the education minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhanji, was so fascinated. He has asked me to send these eri silk cloth to him because he wants to make kurta and other shirts out of it. And similarly, we'll be sending the same to the Honorable Prime Minister's office and other Cabinet Minister's office also to promote our textile, our own weavers, and to be able to create that market for them. I could suggest to our honorable members also, it will be nice if you can, apart from the Nokma ice cream, I think you had the Nokma ice cream? Yeah, Tikrikela MLA, I think, has been very kind because he was so excited when people are asking for the Nokma ice cream. So I think everybody has tasted the Nokma ice cream. And it's wonderful, sir. It's a great feeling to see our own products at the quality that we have seen in the rest of the world. And today, all of this has been because of the investments that we have made. And so I would urge the honorable members, you must adopt this. You must promote this. You must use this so that not just by talking, but by our small actions also we are able to support our weavers and our self-help groups. And this is a small way, but a very powerful way to give the message, sir. And you must be aware, sir, that Ri-Bhoi, who is one of the founders of the Eri Weave Private Limited, had also received a 12% equity deal in the Shark Tank India Season 4. I think she deserves a round of applause. And this again, sir, is a strong reflection of the kind of support we've been giving to the NRL through the NRLM, which is the National Rural Livelihood Mission, by creating so many jobs and livelihood opportunities, and this will continue. Again, just to give an example to you that it's not just a $10 billion economy, there is a plan behind how this $10 billion will impact our common people.